The tie rods in your vehicle serve a critical purpose. They transfer power from the rack and pinion or power steering box to the wheels, enabling them to turn left and right. Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a productive day. Auto Repair here, and today we're diving into the symptoms of a bad tie rod. The inner tie rods connect to the rack and pinion, while the outer tie rods attach to the steering knuckle, located just behind the wheels. Tie rods typically last between 80,000 and 100,000 miles, but wear and tear can lead to problems. Let's discuss the key symptoms of a failing tie rod. First symptom is steering wheel free play. You might notice that you can turn the steering wheel a few inches before the wheels actually respond. This occurs when the inner or outer tie rods wear out internally, creating excess space in the socket. Additionally, you might feel the steering wheel shake when going over bumps. Second symptom is vibration while driving. These vibrations often become more pronounced as you increase speed. This happens when worn tie rods cause back and forth motion, leading to instability while driving. In some cases, you may experience steer wander, where the car pulls to the left or right on its own. Third symptom is uneven tire wear. Worn tie rods can cause uneven tire wear. You'll notice that some areas of the front tires wear out faster than others. This is due to the back and forth wobbling motion caused by defective tie rods. Ignoring this issue can exacerbate tire damage and lead to further problems. Fourth symptom is torn rubber casing. Tie rods are equipped with rubber casings that hold grease to ensure smooth operation. If these casings tear, grease can escape, allowing dirt and moisture to enter. This contamination prevents the tie rods from functioning properly, leading to further wear and tear. Last symptom is clunking noise. A clunking noise when turning the steering wheel left or right is another common symptom of a bad tie rod. This noise occurs when the inner or outer tie rod is excessively worn. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment for any question, and don't forget to subscribe.